Did you know that Germany is set to fill over 1 million job vacancies by the end of 2024? Indeed, the land of poets and thinkers is now also a land of vast career opportunities. If you are considering taking your professional journey to Germany, one of the key tools you'll need is the Job Opportunity Card. This can significantly streamline the process of working in Germany. Here's your guide on how to apply for one. Firstly, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. The Job Opportunity Card is available to highly skilled non-EU nationals. You should have a university degree or a vocational qualification that is recognized in Germany. Additionally, possessing relevant work experience can enhance your application. Next, gather the necessary documents. These typically include your passport, a detailed CV, your academic and professional qualification certificates, and proof of your professional experience. Ensure all documents are translated into German or English by a certified translator. Once your documents are ready, you'll need to find a job that matches your skills. Websites like Make It in Germany and the Federal Employment Agency are excellent resources for job listings. Apply for positions that fit your profile. After securing a job offer, complete the application form for the Job Opportunity Card. This form is available on the official German Federal Foreign Office website. Fill it out thoroughly, ensuring all information is accurate to avoid any delays. Submit your application along with all the required documents and your job offer to the German embassy or consulate in your home country. There might be an interview process, so prepare to discuss your qualifications, your understanding of the job, and your motivations for working in Germany. Processing times can vary, but typically you can expect a decision within a few weeks. If approved, you will be issued your Job Opportunity Card, which not only acts as your residence permit, but also allows you to start working in Germany. In summary, applying for a Job Opportunity Card involves checking your eligibility, gathering necessary documents, securing a job offer in Germany, completing and submitting the application form, and potentially attending an interview. With this card, Germany opens its doors to you, offering a plethora of job opportunities across various industries. So gear up and take that step towards an exciting professional adventure in Germany. Your future awaits.